Hello everyone, this is me Aman Kumar and this is the new video in the course Way to C Programming. In this video we will discuss about jumping statements. So first of all, what are the jumping statements? To jump from one part of the program to another part, we will use jumping statements. Types of jumping statements. Jumping statements are of four types: return statement, go to, continue and break. So we will discuss these one by one. First of all, return statement. We are already using a return statement. In the end of the program we are using return 0. Return statement is always used with the functions. We will always use return statement with the functions to return some value. Whenever we want to return some value from a function, we will use a return statement. We will discuss this when we will discuss the functions. So for the time being, you have to just learn that return statement is used to return some value from the function. The next statement is go to statement. Within a same block, if we want to jump from one statement to another, we will use go to statement. So within a same block, suppose this is one block. In this block we want to jump from one statement to another. Suppose this is some statement and this is some other statement. So we want to directly jump from this statement to this statement. We will use go to statement. This requires label for its operation. Go to statement require one label for its operation. What is a label? Label is simply an identifier followed by a colon. Label is simple any name followed by a colon. The syntax is label, so any valid label will come here and colon will come here. There are some statements and go to label. So we will directly go to this label. Similarly here we are using go to label, some statements, label, colon and some statements. So go to label will directly make us jump to this statement, this label. So go to label means we will directly jump to this label. We will skip these statements. We will skip this statement. Similarly here we will directly jump to this label. So we will see this program. First of all, we have declared a variable int I is equal to 1. We have declared a variable I whose value is 1. So xyz colon. So this is a label. Name of the label is xyz. Colon means colon indicates that this is a label. Label can be any identifier like xyz, abc. So any valid identifier can act as label name. I plus plus. So current value of I is 1. So now I will become 2. If I less than equal to 10. If now 2 less than equal to 10, yes, we will enter inside the if. Printf, print the value of I. So 2 will be printed. So here we will get output as 2. Now next statement is go to xyz. So we will jump to go to this statement. So when this go to will execute, we will jump to this label. Now the next statement again, now I plus plus will execute. So I will become 3. If 3 less than equal to 10, yes, printf, 3 will be printed. Now again we will jump to xyz, go to xyz. So again we will come here. So I plus plus, now I will become 4. Again loop, again if statement is true, so 4 will be printed. Control will again come here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, when 10 is printed, we will come here. Now I will become 11. So after 11, when the condition is false, so here condition is false, we will come outside the if statement. So this go to statement will now not execute. So this kind of loop was created here and we will come out of this loop and we will get output as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So we see a kind of loop is created when we are using a go to statement in this fashion. Note the usage of go to keyword should be avoided. We generally avoid the usage of go to because it usually violates the normal flow of execution. So go to is violating the normal flow because we are directly jumping to the statements. So generally the programmers avoid the use of go to. We rarely use the go to statements. The next jumping statement is the break statement. So what is the break statement? It is used to terminate current executing block or loop. So we earlier also used the break statement in the switch case statement. In switch case statement we used one break statement. Their break statement was used to come out of the switch statement. So here also we will use the break statement to terminate any loop or any block. We often come across the situations where we want to jump out of a loop instantly without waiting to get back to the conditional test. Suppose we are having some loop at some particular point of time, we want to directly come out of the loop. So in that case we will use the break statement. The keyword break allows us to do this. When break is encountered inside any loop, control automatically passes to the first statement after the loop. So whenever break is executed inside a loop, control will automatically come to the first statement after the loop. A break is usually associated with an if. Generally we use a break statement with an if because there will be some condition. At that condition we will execute the break statement. So this shows the usage of break. Suppose there is a for loop and this is the body of for loop. So if some condition, after the condition break, so if the condition is true, we will directly jump out of the for loop, means we have broken the loop or we have terminated the for loop. We have directly come out of the loop. So these statements will not execute and for loop will be terminated. So this is a program. Int I is equal to 1, for I is equal to 1 and I less than 10 I plus plus. So loop is executing from I is equal to 1 to I less than 10. In the loop, if I is equal to 5, we will break. And every time we are printing the statement hello and value of I. So first of all, first time I is 1 less than 10, yes, we will come inside the loop. Now I was 1 and 1 equal to 5, no. So this if statement will not execute. Printf hello value of I 1. So hello 1 will be printed. Now I will become 2. So next time 2 less than 10, yes, we will come inside the loop. 2 equal to 5, no. So this if statement will not, if condition will not execute. So printf statement will execute. So message will be hello and value 5. Value 5 is 2, so hello 2 will be printed. Now this will similarly hello 3 will be printed and hello 4 will be printed. So when I will become 5, now this if statement will become true. Now this if condition will become true, so this break will execute. So this break will execute and we will directly come out of the loop. So this break will terminate the loop. That's why we are getting the output as hello 1, hello 2 and hello 3 and hello 4. After this after hello 4, we will not get any output because break statement will execute and break statement will directly terminate the loop or exit the for loop and we will come out of the for loop. The next statement is continue statement. In some programming situations, we want to take the control to the beginning of the loop. In the previous situation, we are breaking the loop or we are terminating the loop, but sometimes we just want to skip this I is equal to 5 case. Suppose there is a case, instead of breaking the loop, you just want to skip this current pass. The current pass was 5, you just want to skip and you want to directly come to here. Instead of executing the statements, we want to just skip these statements after this and just come to next pass. In this case we will use continue statement. In some programming situations, we want to take the control to the beginning of the loop by passing the statements inside the loop which we have not been executed. So the keyword continue will allow us to do this. When continue is encountered any loop, control automatically passes to the beginning of the loop. So whenever continue is executed, control will pass to the beginning of the loop. A continue is usually associated with an if. Continue is also associated with an if. So the given example shows the continue. For loop, this is the block of for. If some condition is true, then continue will execute. So continue will take us to this increment and skip these statements. We will see a program, then only you will understand it. The same program, just instead of break I have written continue. Instead of break I have written continue. So loop is starting from I is equal to 1, I less than 10. So current value of I is 1. We will enter inside the loop. 1 equal to 5, no. So this if statement will not execute. So this hello 1 will be printed. So the output is hello 1. Next time I will become 2, this again this condition is false, so this statement will print hello 2 will be printed. Same case will happen with hello 3 and hello 4. Now when I will become 5, now when I will be 5, if 5 equal to 5, yes, the condition is to now continue. So the current pass when I is 5 will be skipped, so we will directly come here. Now I will become 6, so the current pass will be skipped. That's why we are not getting I hello 5. See the output, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, and hello 5 is missing. Hello 5 is missing. Now after hello 5 we are getting hello 6, hello 7, hello 8 and hello 9. Because in this continue statement we have just continued the loop. We have skipped these statements and we have continued the loop. Value of I is 6. If 6 equal to 5, no, this statement print statement will execute print 6, similarly print 7, print 8 and print 9. So that's why we are not getting hello 5 in the output, because when I is 5 continue will execute. That's why we are skipping the statement, we are skipping that pass, and hello 5 will not be printed. Write the program and execute the program, and you will understand this program. So break will just break the loop, or it will help us to come out of the loop, but continue will skip the current pass. Continue will skip the current pass. So these are some assignment programs. Write a program to check whether a number is prime or not. Write a program to enter any number and find its reverse. Means if you are writing number as 1 2 3, so output should be 3 2 1. Write a program to enter a number and find sum of digits. So if number is 1 2 3, so we will output as sum of its digits, means 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Next program is write a program to enter a number and find whether it is palindrome or not. Similarly, write a program to enter any number and find whether it is Armstrong or not. Write a program to print prime numbers between 1 to 100. You have to print the prime numbers between 1 to 100. For this program you need to know what are the palindromes and Armstrong number. Armstrong numbers are the numbers in which sum of cube of digits is equal to original number. Example 153. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. Similarly, palindrome number is the number in which original number is equal to reverse of a number, like 131. The reverse of 131 is also equal to 131. So 131 is a palindrome number, and Armstrong number is sum of cube of digits, means 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. If it is equal to 153, then it is an Armstrong number. Please try these programs. If there is some problem in this, I will make some video and explain these programs. Thanks for watching the video. Please like our Facebook page www.facebook.com/way2itech. This is my Facebook ID fb/Aman Kumar 29. Please like, subscribe and share the video. Do comment in the comment section if you have any doubt. These are our two books, Way2 C and C++ programming and Way2 HTML. Please share the video with your friends so that they can also learn. Thanks for watching the video.